Hello everyone, in the previous video I told you how to add music status, but now let's make a voice note status. How do we upload that? I'll tell you in this video. So tap on the status area, start to make a new one. You will have four options above: text, photo, music or voice. Tap on voice and on the lower section of your phone you can see a mic option. You have to hold it to record it, right? If you slide it, then it will be cancelled, as it is mentioned slide to cancel, slide left to cancel. Now when I am holding it, whatever I am speaking is being recorded. The voice note maximum limit is 1 minute 30 seconds. With your profile pic visible besides the voice note, you can record and right away cancel and re-record your status. Re-record your voice and put it on status. And that is how we do it. But how do we upload it, right? I will tell you. You can change the background colors as I just did. And once you stop holding that recording option, you can listen to it again by tapping on start and pausing it however you want. And once you select it and once you're confirmed that you have to upload the voice note, you can tap on send option. And now your status, voice note status, is audible to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Tada!